Hey guys, it's Tammy Van Hollander of Mainline Play Therapy. Most of you who know me know that I love books and love to use bibliotherapy. And whenever I get new books, I get pretty excited. So I got a couple new ones, but this is one that I wanted to share with you. It's called Her Body Can by Katie Crenshaw and Ady Maschke, I believe it is. And there's so few books on body image. I do have another one that I like, but I really love this one. So I'm just going to show you a couple pages of it. And it's also a poem, which really children love as well. So here's a little bit of story time. Her body can smile, frown, rest, and hustle. She's oh so much more than brains, bones, and muscle. Her body can wear any color or costume on the bus, at a park, on a stage, in the classroom. Look how great these pictures are. Her body can play with all friends of each size. Worth is not measured by the shape of our thighs. Her body can choose kale or cake. Yummy, yummy. Food is her fuel and feels good in her tummy. Her body can shop at stores she likes best. She gets to choose how she wants to dress. Her body can swim and splash in the pool. A one-piece or two-piece will help her stay cool. So then there's a lot of it. I'm not going to read too much of it, but I'll end with the last page. There's so many nice sentences of this. Her body can go over and under and through, and what her body can, darling, yours can do too.